fist bump,
fist bump,
fist bump,
fist bump,
call me,
call me,
call me,
call me,
good luck,
good luck,
good luck,
good luck,
applause,
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 salute,
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 thumbs up,
thumbs up,
thumbs up,
thumbs up,
thumbs down,
thumbs down,
thumbs down,
thumbs down,
hi or hello,
hi or hello,
hi or hello,
hi or hello,
love you,
love you,
love you,
love you,
okay,
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 joy or surprise,
joy or surprise,
joy or surprise,
joy or surprise,
victory or peace sign,
victory or peace sign,
victory or peace sign,
victory or peace sign,
gratitude,
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 handshake,
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 high five,
high five,
high five,
high five,
finger heart,
finger heart,
finger heart,
finger heart,
wave,
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 snap,
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 raise hand,
raise hand,
raise hand,
raise hand,
point,
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 stop,
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 small amount,
small amount,
small amount,
small amount,
rock on,
rock on,
rock on,
rock on,
loser,
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 insult,
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 cover mouth,
cover mouth,
cover mouth,
cover mouth,
clap,
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 fold arms,
fold arms,
fold arms,
fold arms,
strength,
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 praying hands,
praying hands,
praying hands,
praying hands.
Well done! You have learned common hand gestures in English. Watch again, repeat the gestures, and notice how people use them in daily life. Hand gestures help you understand English without words. See you in the next lesson.